Checking 1 2, checking 1 2. Let me just confirm if my screen can be shared or you're seeing my screen. We start. Hello everyone, this is Dennis, as you know, your Forex King. Today we're just going to do a very short live, since it's on a Friday, remembering our Bitcoin trade, our Bitcoin positions. Finally we hit 60,000, almost at 60,000, 59,000. We are still looking forward to the move at least up to 64,000, but 60k is a good price. Also announcing that our crypto sale is up. If you're selling your cryptocurrency, just I'm going to pin an email. You can email us, or maybe a telegram group. You can ask for your crypto, or you can just visit us at Jaqua Towers 10th floor. So anyone who is looking to buy or sell their crypto, we do not have any maximum or any limit. So there is that. And then back to our lives. So yesterday we went through a bit of Bitcoin, a bit of Euro USD. We are seeing the rejection. We talked about Euro USD happening. We are seeing a nice M formation, but now we are seeing two kinds of structures. Yeah, we are having this strong daily time frame resistance point, a nice lower high, a failure to break that lower high. If we go down to our H1 time frame, we're definitely seeing a nice M formation and a continuation towards the downside, in my view. But on the higher time frame, for anyone who knows market structure, we're seeing a break above this structure, and we just might expect price to at least retest this and maybe go up. But since we are still in a very much bearish market, what we are going to say is we are still very much confident in the shorts. We've seen at least price has exhausted. We are seeing I'm seeing a lot of airs. I don't know why. But this is a nice market structure. This is a beautiful market structure. Even the entry point is still very nice, since it's on a higher time frame confirmation. If we get some nice price action off this, then this is definitely a nice trade to get into. We're seeing a nice hammer. This is now a confirmed hammer. Has at least the upper shadow is at least twice the real body, the length of the real body. We are having a tiny, what do we call this, tiny shadow, yeah, tiny lower shadow. On the lower time frames, you're definitely seeing some more momentum. Nice evening star, but a failed confirmation candle. But now we are getting some sort of railroad tracks at this level. This candle close will definitely confirm our continuation towards the downside. So yeah, as we await for this candle close, we have like 30 minutes on this. On the M30, we're even seeing better price. So let's just say let price break this region, break this price at on M30, and then we take the position. Yeah, I think this is a nice position, though I might just suggest you take your first target at this area. Just like we've seen on the GBP CAD, we had like 3 short positions yesterday. I managed to book majority of my profits and lock the remainder at around this area. I've been keeping the guys on the WhatsApp group up to date on this position. So yes, it did get out, but I managed to book at least like 60% on my position at 50% at 61.8 at this area. I managed to book roughly a majority of my profits, trailed stop it to around here, managing to at least secure my risk. I risk-free trade, very nice trade, very beautiful trade. We missed the target by just a few pips, roughly 29, but eventually we had like 74 clean pips of this position. Had 3 positions, one in the morning. My one in the morning position got out at break even, but the other 2 were very much profitable. So I'm not going to go deep into GBP CAD, since we are seeing there's so much rise in these currency pairs. Also remember, Japan has started to buy oil from somewhere else. I don't know where it was, but definitely I'd take a look. USD PMI already passed. Was this yesterday or today? We are still having core retail sales in the next few minutes, next 3 minutes. So definitely, if you're in a position, I'd rather you get out, or if you're already in a deep blue, just lock your positions. Let's see what happens. Core retail sales or retail sales, high impact on the USD. Okay, then this is definitely going to affect the markets. Let's see what happens. but we're seeing a sort of change in market condition. As you can also see on the yen, we've not seen any exhaustion for the longest time. After China started buying oil from somewhere else, we've just been seeing the yens rise. You can also see on NZD JPY, you can also see on GBP JPY, price has just been rising. As of today, we've actually seen GJ break all-time highs since 20 all-time yearly highs. As you can see, GJ has just been on a bullish market for the longest time. We're not really seeing any kind of exhaustion. We're not seeing price even thinking of having an exhaustion. The last time that I actually did analysis on this was actually Nick. It was back in October 5th, 10 days ago, where Nick did analysis using my PC. There's a long, you can see, as you can see, there is definitely a lot that is going on. We had the OPEC meetings just the other day. As you can see, the impact of the meetings. Yeah. Also on the dollar index, let me bring up the dollar index. Let's see what's happening on the dollar. We're also seeing President Biden talking about clean energy. So let's see what happens in the dollar index. We're definitely seeing a nice double bottom formation. Price or structure is definitely changing from this area, since we're seeing this being the last low. Now price is starting to create another higher low, and probably going to continue all the way back to the previous supply area before even thinking about anything else. Sorry, I was getting a call. Yeah, this is on the dollar index. Remember, anything that happens or everything that happens, sorry guys, I was getting a call. Let me just put my phone on mute. So we were discussing about the dollar index. We are having extremely not good news per se, because it doesn't directly affect us, but we are definitely seeing the US is starting to rise up from its choppiness. As you can see, there is really that another I've just started mixing myself up, I don't know why. We are seeing that price has not really been going up, neither has it been going down in the past few weeks. So definitely this is something to check on. We are definitely seeing some nice bullish pressure on the daily time frame, H4 time frame, on the DXY, which is going to directly affect anything going on in the markets. This being a Friday, I'm not really looking for a position to take today. I'm just having my overview for next week. Also, something very nice happened on GBP AUD, where we saw price falling from here, but remember, we've just been waiting for this second touch. But now we are seeing like it's an exhaustion. As you can see, it's some sort of exhaustion. Price is completely worn out from the bearish market. On the H4 time frame, we're definitely seeing price is a bit worn out when it comes down to pushing lower. But let's see what happens at this area. Remember, this is a very strong area. Nice resistance point there, nice support here, nice break, maybe a nice retest, and some sort of consolidation for the next few days, maybe Monday to Wednesday, and then maybe a continuation towards the downside, or price will eventually break these highs, managing to come back to the supply area. NZD JPY, NZD USD, I'm not really going to go into that. Neither am I going to go into this, since there is no exhaustion to take. Neither am I going to go into this, since this is on the daily time frame. I don't know why everyone is just on my phone today. We are seeing NZD CAD, such a nice momentum, but really not what I am looking for. Nice structure low, nice W formation, nice break. Let's see what happens to it. Definitely something to keep your eye on. Bitcoin, we just talked about it. Euro USD, we just talked about it. I don't think I have anything else to talk about, but I'm definitely going to take this short position on Euro USD. If I'm going to take the short on Euro USD, then gold should definitely be going down. Yeah, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. It's a good correlation sign. Okay. The shorts on Euro USD, I'm going to double down on my position size since it's on a Friday. I'm not going to really go all crazy on it. Just one position. Stop loss right here. Not that one, sorry. And it's a done deal. Yeah, so keep your eye on the Euro USD. Just wait for the candle close, enter your position, make some good money. We see each other on Tuesday. Today we were with Lonzy FX, Eric himself. This guy has the most craziest entries. I think he's going to be joining us very soon on the live. I don't know if he wants to talk today, but maybe next time. Next time. He's saying next time. Let's discuss some business with him. Talk to you guys later. Have a good evening and a profitable week ahead of you guys. See you later. Remember, weekends are for going through your positions. Okay? Journal them, go through them, re-strategize, enter the position on Monday in blues. So, see you guys.